Hey guys, this video I'm gonna show you. He's gonna do escape. We're both gonna try to escape our handcuffs. They're fake handcuffs, not real handcuffs. Okay, let me just put the handcuffs on him. Other hand under arrest. Okay, now try to escape.
I have to escape for both of them?
Yep. He did it.
Peace, cops.
That's like 10 seconds, right? I'm not sure. Don't have a timer. Oh well. Now I'm gonna put on the headphones. Oh wait, not the headphones. Handcuffs. Why?
Okay, let me just handcuff him. Put the ring on the back. No!
Oh.
You have the right to remain silent.
Yeah, I have the right, but I have to. Where's my freedom?
Your freedom is on the ring. Go in your handcuffs back.
Okay. I don't know how to...
I knew it. He can't do it.
Wait. Yeah, I did it! Look out of handcuffs. Bye.